Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Got collections on your credit report? Don't worry. You can fix your credit score and rebuild your financial health in 2025. Here's how. Step 1. Pull your credit reports from the three major bureaus like Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion at annualcreditreport.com. Check carefully for any errors or collections that aren't yours. If you spot mistakes, dispute them right away. Incorrect collections can be removed, boosting your score fast. For legit collections, try negotiating a pay for delayed deal, pay what you owe, and get the collection removed from your report. Also request a debt validation from collection agencies. If they can't prove you owe the debt, they must remove it. Remember, collections stay on your report up to 7 years but lose impact over time. To rebuild faster, use credit building tools like Experian Boost, Self, or Key Off. They and they add positive payment history and help raise your score. Consistency is key. Make timely payments, keep credit utilization low, and monitor your progress regularly. Small improvements and up to big score increases over time. And that's it. Thanks for watching.